GTAP W610 smart backlight. So today I show you if any problem or you want to open this smart backlight, so how to need open for easy way. So this is a smart backlight W610. And today I show you how to need to open. So I want this first glass remove. If glass remove, then can going inside, have inside motherboard or LCD. If you anything you want repairing, can repair. So must need here little hot. You use your hot air gun, and temperature is highest is 100. If 80-90 is better, and you use highest is 100, not is more can use. Hot gun temperature I put only 90. 90 is okay, no need more. It's 90. A 1.5 minute, just I a little hot for glass. So already remove glass. It's LCD, battery and PCB. So which one you want to repair, you can easily repair.